Today's video is brought to you by Oxedo LED lighting. You might think that you can see just fine at night. Well, I did too, until I did this little upgrade. As you can see from this footage, here is some before Oxedo LED lighting, and here is some after Oxedo LED lighting. The difference is amazing. With high brightness and easy installation, Oxedo LED lighting is definitely the route for you. They're easy to install and they're available for all makes and models. Click on the link in the description below and enter promo code 612motorsports at checkout to get yourself 15% off. Now back to our video. Hello and welcome back to another episode of 612 Motorsports. In today's episode we're working on the S-10 again. Nothing too crazy, it's just something that's been bothering me that I just want to take care of because I am a bit of a perfectionist at times. Certain things just kind of bother me. I don't know if it's OCD or autism or whatever you want to call it, but before we get into it, you guys know the routine. Go ahead and hit that subscription button, notification bell, leave a comment, thumbs up, all that stuff, super helpful, and it's very greatly appreciated. And so what I'm talking about today is these little window whiskers, this kind of rubber seal on the bottom of the door glass. And if you've ever noticed, they have like a little felt behind it. And what that does is just kind of keep the glass clean and actually kind of scrapes any garbage off of the window as it's going up and down. So, I don't know if you can see, but it's nice and tight down here, and then we've got a big gap that kind of goes in waves. Some of that is due to the window going up and down. It catches on that, pulls that up a little bit. Some of it's also heat. Hot summers, hot sunny days, it's going to affect that a little. You can go ahead and push that back into place all the way across, but then you shut the door or you roll up or down the windows a few times and it's right back into place, and not the place you want it to. If we go over here on the driver's side, you can see I've got the same issue, and this one is actually kind of discolored, if the camera will pick up on that, from degreasers and chemicals. It's got little spots all over it. It's not really coming out the greatest here on film, but we are going to be replacing them with new units, and I have these here. I purchased them off Rock Auto. I don't have a part number or anything handy. You'll just have to go on Rock Auto for whatever make and model you have to find the right ones for your vehicle. They're super easy to put on. It's only going to take a couple of minutes, so let's get right into it. All right, we're going to start on the driver's side here, and I'm guessing that they're just going to come right up like so. That was pretty easy. Nothing really to them. There's a couple of little, I call them dog ears, a couple little tabs that are going to fit into whatever. And while we have this off, we're going to take the opportunity to clean this a little bit. Maybe take a little compound and clean that up some, just to make sure that it's nice and clean and we're not covering it with anything grimy when we put the new ones on. There is a right and a left version to these, so just make sure that you're matching up the one you took off with the one you're going to put on, so you put them on the right side and everything seals up nice and looks appropriate.
Next level.
So one thing I'm noticing, and it's something you should do as well, is double check the length. Make sure they're the same length. I just kind of dry fitted the new one on, and it's a little too long. When I hold it up next to the old one, you can see that we are a little longer. So we're gonna go ahead and just kind of taper that off, get her to fit nice and tight, and then in that way it's gonna hold nice in the corners on both ends and not give any reason for it to come up in any way. All right, we've got our end trimmed down nice. I only took off the tiniest of little slivers. It's maybe 1/8 of an inch. So we're gonna give that a whirl and see how that fits. Nice. I honestly don't know how well this is showing up on camera because of where I am located today in the shop. I've got a little sun going on and a little reflection, poor lighting, so I apologize for that. But let me tell you, it looks way better. So now we're gonna go over and hit the passenger side. All right, we got both sides done, and man, that makes a big difference. It's one of those things that you don't notice until it looks messed up or is broken. We got the passenger side here looking nice and tight and accurate and the way it should be. We got a nice tight fit here up under the mirror. And it's sitting nice and good over the weather strip here, just as the factory one was originally. So that looks pretty good. I'm excited about that, and I'm hoping that takes care of our problem. So as you can see, it's a super easy project. Literally no tools other than a razor blade and a little rubbing compound if you want to clean that channel up before putting the new ones on. With that being said, that's going to wrap things up for us here today. I hope you enjoyed. As always, stay positive, work hard, and make it happen.